Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Update iOS and make a full backup, because data safety matters if the repair goes deeper. Once done, inspect the front sensor area under bright light to spot visible cracks or debris on the TrueDepth module. Make sure to open Settings Right Arrow Face ID to record exact error text. That tells you whether the fault is hardware or software. You're taking quick, targeted steps to gather diagnostic evidence, so the next actions are precise and effective. You now move into the core repair. Power off and carefully open the iPhone using pentalobe screws, suction and spudger to lift the display. Organize screws by step. Once open, disconnect the battery to avoid shorting sensitive circuits, then remove the front sensor assembly so you can inspect flex cables and connector pins for corrosion or bent contacts. If damage is present, replace the entire OEM TrueDepth module. This single component swap restores alignment between the dot projector and camera, which is why you finish by reassembling in reverse order. Reconnect the battery and carefully seat the display. Tighten screws to the correct torque to avoid screen distortion. Once closed, boot and go straight to Settings to run Face ID setup. This calibrates the face map and verifies the dot pattern and infrared flood illuminator. If Face ID still fails, double-check alignment and connector cleanliness, and use ambient light tests to confirm IR emission. If unresolved, pursue Apple Diagnostics, because a logic board-level fault may remain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.